Hi there, I'm Cassie Christopher, a registered dietitian and emotional eating expert, and in this video, I'm going to share a brief introduction to a wonderful tool that you can use when you are struggling with emotional or stress eating in the very moment when the craving strikes. And that is what I love about this tool, and it's called the Emotional Freedom Technique. As always, before we get started, please remember that I'm a registered dietitian, not a doctor or a therapist, and I offer this video to you as an educational resource, not to prevent or treat any physical or mental disease. So if you're having a medical or mental emergency, please call your local medical number and get the help that you need. Okay, let's get to it. First, what is the Emotional Freedom Technique? The Emotional Freedom Technique was developed in the 90s by pairing acupressure points with positive statements. And this miracle tool has been found in great research studies to help lower stress, reduce anxiety, help stop PTSD symptoms, and reduce food cravings and aid in weight loss. And I have found this tool to be helpful personally in my life when dealing with food cravings. And I believe that emotional freedom technique, or also known as tapping, is so helpful for stress or emotional related cravings because it gives you an opportunity to really identify how you are feeling, to accept how you are feeling. And that is often a stage of awareness that is skipped when we are used to using food to numb, comfort, and soothe our emotions. The thing about emotional and stress eating is that it works, and this tool gives you a way to pause, reconnect with yourself, calm your nervous system, find out how you're feeling and what you need so that you can take care of yourself without indulging in food. So how do you tap? There are 9 acupressure points that we target when tapping, and I will help you find them, and then you can tap along with me in the guided tapping exercise that I'm going to be sharing in my next video. So first, I want you to find the flat part of your hand. This is the setup point. So we'll only use this once during tapping at the very beginning, and some people call it the karate chop point. You can tap with 1 finger, 2 fingers, you can tap with your whole hand. You can tap on either side. It doesn't matter what side you tap on, so whatever feels comfortable, normal, and natural to you. So that's the first point. The next point is going to be in your inner eyebrow along the brow bone there. If you have glasses, they might get in your way. When I'm tapping, I usually take my glasses off, but you can see it right here. And again, it doesn't matter what side you do. You can do both at once. The second tapping point is going to be along your brow bone. Really, I have to take my glasses off so you can see it better, but just the end of your eyebrow along the bone there. Maybe if you're wearing glasses, it might be exactly under where your glasses are. That's kind of how it ends up for me. The next place is going to be under the nose. And again, you can tap this way, you can tap this way, whatever works for you. Under your lip, bottom of your lip here. You're going to then find your collarbone is the next point and go about 2 inches below that. Couple taps there, and you're going to want to do 5 to 7 taps each spot. The next spot, I'm going to want you to put your hand on your armpit, and we're going to tap about a hand's width down on the side of the body. So that's where you'll tap. If you have a large chest, it might be easier to do it this way, but that can sometimes hurt your arms. So do whatever is comfortable for you. And after this point, we're going to go to the top of the head, the crown of the head, and that is our final point. So from here, we would cycle, if we were doing a tapping meditation, back to the eyebrow and back on through to the top of the head. All right, you have tapped along with me to all of the points and you are ready to get started. So meet me in the next video for a tapping technique to help calm your stress cravings. I'll see you there.